Today we're making authentic Ukrainian borscht with homemade garlic herb pampushky, traditional Ukrainian garlic buns. This recipe is made for a 6-liter pot. Place beef, carrots, onion, garlic, peppercorns, and olive oil in a baking dish. Roast for 30 to 40 minutes. Meanwhile, make the garlic topping. Parsley, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons sunflower oil, 3 tablespoons water. Mix, cover, and let it infuse. Prepare the yeast starter. 250 milliliters warm milk, 1.5 teaspoons active dry yeast, 2 teaspoons sugar. Cover and let it foam for 15 to 20 minutes. Once foamy, add about 3 cups, 360 gram, all-purpose flour, 2 centimo vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt. Knead into a soft dough for 7 to 10 minutes using a stand mixer or by hand. Cover and let rise in a warm place for 1.5 to 2 hours. Transfer the roasted beef and vegetables to a pot. Add the chicken, about 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds of meat total. Cover with water and bring to a boil. Skim off the foam, reduce the heat, season with salt, and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, prep the vegetables. Chop 1 onion and 1 bell pepper. Grate 2 carrots and about 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds of beets. Saute the onion in oil until translucent. Add the carrots and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the bell pepper and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the beets and 2 TSP vinegar to keep the borscht beautifully red. Stir in 1 TSP honey to balance the flavor. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste and mix well. Add 2 ladles of broth, cover and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Add 750 grams, 1.7 pounds, diced potatoes. Simmer 15 minutes. Shred about 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, cabbage. Add to the broth and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the vegetable mixture and bring to a boil. Add 1 can of beans in tomato sauce. Bring to boil. Add 2 bay leaves and season to taste. Simmer 5 minutes. Borscht is ready. Meanwhile, let's make the pampushky. Divide the dough into small, egg-sized pieces. Grease the pan, shape into small buns or squares, and place slightly apart. Cover and let the buns rise for 10 to 15 minutes. Brush with 1 egg yolk plus 1 tablespoon milk for a golden crust. Bake at 185 degrees Celsius, 365 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Brush with the garlic herb mixture while the buns are still hot. Use it all. Enjoy your meal. Borscht is the heart of every Ukrainian home. We love serving it with homemade garlic pampushky and a little cured pork fat, salo. I hope you'll try this recipe and let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for your views, subscriptions, likes, and comments. They truly make me happy and help my little channel grow. I genuinely love cooking and have so many recipes to share with you. I'll do my best to post at least one new recipe every week, even while working full-time. Thank you for being here. I truly appreciate your support, and I can't wait to cook with you again.